Never say never. It is better to have it, but not use it, than need it and not have it. So, think in terms of banking. I'm going to make it a dormant account.
I hear you. But listen, you sure you don't want we plan a all-out sting operation? Pearl is dangerous, you know, Pops.
I have all people know that. I'm the. As a matter of fact, it's not Pearl. It's Wasp that the danger is from. But there's something she needs to know. And I've got to tell her.
All right. As usual, I'll trust you on this one.
Good. And remember, I'm not one of those animals or insects or things that eat their young. I created it. I'm going to fix it and send it to a higher purpose.
As you always do. But let me in on a little secret here. How did you get rid of the body so fast?
This is not my first rodeo. You have to leave an old man some secrets.
Easy. But you're good again now, right?
What happened? I wasn't always good?
You're great, actually. Going back on the job. You sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Him say I'm alright. Let's go.
Wasp, wasp, wasp. Hmm.
Good night, Miss Cunningham. See, you haven't lost your edge. You look like you're ready to go.
So what is it? No, I'm under surveillance? What are you doing? Stalking me?
Wow, you're back in action. Feistiest ever I see, but no, that's my brother's job. You mind stepping in the car so we can have a talk?
I talk about what, Marcus? You know what I'd like to know? Is how you know I'd be here.
For some reason, I feel like I'm the enemy. I wasn't the one who came after you, or Carlton. So why the aggression?
Can we talk here?
I'd rather not. It's best we speak in the car.
I don't feel safe inside the car.
Oh, come on, Celine. You're a trained agent, a super agent at that. I'm a mere politician. There's nothing to fear. I'd rather we speak in the car. And besides, I wouldn't want anything to happen to you. You're my sister-in-law. So shall we? This way.
Are we going somewhere, Minister?
No, we're not, but it's quite warm and your comfort is my priority.
Interesting. Okay. So, what exactly is this meetup about, Marcus? What do you want to discuss so badly?
A lot has been happening in the country, and I'm quite sure you can see the mayhem that's taking place. More currently, Spanish Town and the shutdown with the entire area, people training up the train line, it's just chaotic. And I just wanted to let you know that I want to step back into the space, and I just had a meeting with the executive board of the party.
Marcus, hold on. You're giving the wrong person this political speech. Is this exactly what you want to talk about?
Alright, let me level with you. With me stepping back into politics, I want to make sure that the way is clear, and I'm having an issue with Daly, the current minister in my portfolio, and he has quite a few dirt on Carlton. I want to make sure that you guys are out of harm's way.
Out of harm's way? What are you asking to do exactly?